Okay, video blog check everybody. Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech review, tech feature actually. No, so I have here the Fujifilm X106. Imagine this is the camera na talagang soft after talaga from last year. No? Napakaganda ng camera na to. No? It's very compact at talagang nagustuhan nila to for travel. No? Kasi very minimalist yung dating niya. Pero what if a GFX camera na combined with the X100, no? Combine si X100 with a GFX camera na medium format. Anong itsura niya, no? So imagine niyo, it will be much more smaller, much more compact, and much more bigger sensor. Pero ngayon, yung marriage na yun, nangyari na. So on my right hand, nanginginig yung kamay ko, is the Fujifilm GFX 100 RF. It's like a marriage of the X100 series and a GFX series camera. So, parang pinaliit na GFX series siya, no? Na parang it can go par with the with the X106. So, removing this on my hand is the medium format version of the GFX 100 RF. So GFX na siya, hindi na siya X100. It's GFX 100 RF, which I heard the SRP dito sa Philippines soon it will be around 350,000 pesos. So doon this a feature no, kasi it's today sa Fujifilm X Summit featuring this awesome camera. At I've tried shooting with the GFX. It's napakaganda, napakalaki ng image na ina-output niya. It's best for doing model photo shoot, for example, landscape, billboard, ads. So, yun yung kanyang market for photographers. Kaya napakalaki niya. It's very premium. Kasi nga, large sensor, large format. It's a medium format. It's bigger than the full frame. Kaya sabi nila, GFX is more than a full frame camera. So, one of the best selling point of this GFX 100 RF, ito siya, nakalagay dyan, is meron siyang 35mm f4 na lens. This camera is not interchangeable. It means it will stay forever with a 35mm f4 with much bigger than the sensor ng full frame camera. Kasi itong GFX 100 RF has a 1.7 bigger sensor than a 35mm full frame camera. Much bigger siya, mas malaki siya. Kaya napakaganda nito at I heard may na pre-order na daw. So I'm very interesting to have or own this camera. It's very super expensive, almost equivalent to a mini car. Malaki na siya, no? So yun ang pinakang selling point niya. Also, it has a aspect ratio button here, a dial, aspect ratio dial. So nakakapag-change siya ng aspect ratio ng camera. Hindi mo na kailangan gumanon. So, i-change mo na yung aspect ratio mo. At it will do the thing to your images, no? At meron din siya dito parang teleconverter. I think it will change the lens, no? Lens, if you are 35mm, parang na siya ng digital zoom or digital wide or enhance siya. Parang ganun yung pagkakaintindi ko. I just read the documents, the tech specs of it, parang ganun yung forma niya. And also the dial is very familiar. At yung kanyang screen, paano ba to? Ang screen niya is ganito lang. Hindi siya nasa swivel to the left. So parang ang shot mo lang is pag ganito, pwedeng below the hip yung shot mo, pwedeng pag ganito, pataas, ayan. Talagang wala siyang way to, yung parang vlog style. So I'm not sure if it's good for video, but it's good for photography talaga. So let's do a more hands-on test. Sayang wala tayong memory card to test. Ito to take home some shots, no? But so laki ng file nito pag ginamit natin to, no? So in later, no, mag-start na yung event. Let's do a quick hands-on test para nakita nyo, no, yung ganda nitong Fujifilm GFX 100 RF. And here's the camera. Grabe, nanginginig kamay ko. That's 350,000 camera. Pinaka-expensive camera na nahawakan ko, no? Let's have a walkthrough. So this is a 35mm f4 lens. Hindi siya interchangeable. It's built-in. So you'll stay here na forever, no? Napakaganda ng kanyang lente. Very compact. At Wala siyang flash, no? Ito parang ilaw lang to for illuminating your subject pag medyo dark. On na natin to and boom. Oh, okay. So, ito yung pinaka-interesting nito, yung aspect ratio dial niya. Ayun, nakita nyo, nagbabago yung ano niya, oh. Nagbabago yung aspect ratio. Very weird nito, parang pang landscape shoot siya, oh. Grabe, oh. Ito naman, parang portrait, parang pang TikTok, for example. At square for Instagram. Palaki ng palaki, going back to its original format, no. So, sana meron siyang number na pinapakitang ano dito, no, para at least may guide ka. But, still, you can see the output. Ayan. Napakaganda. Ito yung bagong pauso. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito, no? There's also manual, continuous, tsaka single AF. Ayan, button here. At yung dial niya here is the nakalock ba to? Ayan, for the ISO, aperture. Ayan. Ito, exposure level. Ito.
Exposure compensation.
Compensation. Ito, para saan ba to?
Yan yung ano.
ISO ba to?
Ano, kung ano yung nakaprogram. Usually, shutter yan. No?
Shutter yata or ano. Pero gadali, parang kung medyo maliwanag, pwede mong i-adjust yung I'm here, kasama ko pala si Ted dito, no? We're doing the hands-on test and review. And here's the SD card. May SD card siya at saka ano to, CF ba to or second SD card, no? Oh my God, nasabanggit ko talaga CF, no? Sorry guys. So, dalawang SD card, you can save it to slot 1 or slot 2. Ito siya. For the battery niya, this is very interesting, no? For the battery, okay. So, the battery niya is similar to, ano to? XT50? XT5? Or PF1 to. Parang ano siya, no? Similar ba to with the XT5?
Ay, parang baga nun. Unless na yan yung normal sa ano.
GFX.
Sa GFX.
GFX battery, no? Hindi rin ako familiar with it, eh. So, balik na natin siya. Pero ang galing, no? Nakalock to. Pag ganun ko, okay. So, parang kanina, nag-eject siya bigla, no? Nag-eject siya.
Ito yung parang X100, yung
OBF niya.
OBF.
Ito yung sasabi niyo parang teleconverter, no? Hindi ko magets to.
Nag-change yung ano.
Yung lente.
Dito nakikita.
Yun, nakikita. No? Parang siyang zoom na ewan, di ba? So, naka-manual tayo. So, single autofocus tayo. Bakit ba naka-manual to? Siyempre, mga pro photographers are always doing manual. So, wala na dito, no? Ito, meron pa pala, USB Type-C, charging, micro HDMI, microphone and headphones to for sure. Yes, tama nga. Microphone, tsaka headphones. So, it means that it can do recording. It can do video recording. So, settings natin, syempre, no, mahabang ceremonias to. Paano ba to? Paano to ini-scroll? Ayun pala, medyo matigas eh.
May joystick.
Sige. So, ito nakukuha na yung camera. At we'll see you later. No? I'll create a video what I think of this after watching the presentation. Alright, so thank you guys. And I'll see you a bit with this awesome camera. Alright, thank you Fujifilm. Meron tayong pick to show pa. We're here sa Fujifilm Examit in the Philippines. And live in Prague. Oh yeah!
In pursuit
GFX
of both functionality and design. This is the Fujifilm GFX 100 RF. We have optimized the OSD with features such as icons to fit to the 3:2 aspect ratio dial, which introduced for the first time. Instead of certain aspect ratios from the received overwhelming feedback and have been working to meet our customers' expectations. In fact, we used this prototype to film parts of the X Summit here in Prague. Let us show you the film we made.
Grabe.
the presence of our leaders, Mr. Rico Sonong of Henry, sir. Sir William Sia of Summer House, sir from the media.
Claudio.
And of course, our friends from Camera Clutch from AACC.
319! Kaya mag-guessing pa.
Okay, so the local price of the GFX 100 RF is 319,919.
9 Alright!
Okay, so as you can see, we do have the new GFX 100 RF on display.
Kasi every time I travel, I always bring my GFX 50R for the for the panoramic. So with this one, you have the aspect ratio right away. So it's one for me. Second is the new teleconverter dial. Kasi every time I take a photo of X-Pan, sometimes medyo thin. No? So, pwede kang mag-zoom in, zoom out with this one. So, and hindi nila na-discuss earlier yung sa aperture rate. Medyo lumaki yung hawakan compared sa 100 series. So, that's the trick. Meron pa pangapat. Actually, hours ko lang siya nagamit. No? So, actually, binasa ko na siya. Binasa ko na sa ulan kanina. So, it's a weather skill. Kasi hindi na nasira eh. And, so, actually, pinaharap ko agad. Weather skill ba to? Kasi nabasa ko eh. So, second hand na. So, second is sobrang gaan. Kasi I was bringing X Pro 3 with 35mm. Parang mas mabigat ko yung X Pro 3 no? Than this one.
GFX 100 RF exhibit. Tag us at Fujifilm Philippines and use the hashtag FujiFilmPH GFX 100 RF and hashtag.
Oh yan, naka-follow na yan ha. Oh, naka-follow na. Ako, naka-follow na ako sa'yo, matagal na. Proof yan, okay. Grabe, on my hand is the Fujifilm GFX 100 RF rangefinder. That's the latest medium format camera. It's bigger than the full frame camera, yung kanyang sensor. It's around 315,000 pesos, 315,000 pesos. Napakamahal, pero napakaganda ng camera. Ganda ng build niya. Akala ko yung una mahirap hawakan, but it's really good. Kita niyo yung mata ko, that's my eyes. Ganda, grabe.
Ano yung purpose nito, As?
Alin? Which one?
Kasi wala na palang OPF to eh. Ito, kung ano nangyayari. Silipin mo yung screen. Kung sabi nila ano raw,
Ay! Aspect ratio.
Ha?
Aspect ratio.
Pag naka-program din siya.
Oh, aspect ratio siya.
Ano na siya, programmable
Pinipilit
din
ko siyang ganun, no?
by default.
Oo, parang...
Hindi aspect ratio.
Ayan,
yan.
oo.
Ano siya, whether transparent,
transparent.
or blackout.
Or black. Yung view mo pala. Pwede maging invisible. Ayun.
Kung gusto mo yung around ano.
Ano pala ako, nakapang portrait mode pala ako. Kasi itong it has an aspect ratio. Galing, oh. And this is a 35mm medium format. Ganda, grabe. Pero maganda yung gamitin. Ang nakakatakot gamitin kasi mapitawan ko. So meron siya dito parang teleconverter na yan. So di mo na kailangan ng lens. So 3 parang lens niya. Itong hawak ko isang kamay no? Medyo mabigat. 350,000! 315,000 or mga ganun. Parang 319,000 yata. So gagawa na ako ng maraming content. Add ko na to sa vlog ko, itong hands-on test natin. Baka hindi na ito makita after a while dahil ito sa launching nakikita tayo. Nag-banding tayo with the Fujifilm GFX 100 RF. Grabe, ganda. Kailan kaya ako magagamit? Parang okay na to, no? Invest na yung mga GFX, no? GFX 100. Ito okay na to, napakaganda. Kasi gawa ng lens niya. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng lens. Grabe, ganda.